They're ready. Oh god. Do I just hoof it all down? Ah. Oh well, here we go. This is breakfast, by the way. Mmm. They hot, alright. Oh my gosh. Who made these? Look at my mouth. Oh, I don't like spicy food, Chip. I can feel it in my stomach too. I'm dieting. These are the only carbs I'm having today. Ugh. How was the spicy noodles? How the fuck you think it felt? I think that's the last time I eat those, bro. The porcelain throne is gonna take a beating today. Pretty much. It's 90 degrees over here in Georgia. It's about to be 90 degrees in my asshole a little bit later too.